Hey guys, Dana here with ASL Love, and today I'm going to show you the sign for laugh. Now there's plenty of variations for the sign laugh, so I'm going to show you a few. Pretty commonly you'll see two L hand shapes just coming away from your face, starting near the corners of your mouth. Laugh. You'll also see a little movement. I call this the itchy finger. Laugh. Now I like to do a little double claw hand shape, laugh. Kind of shows that belly laugh. I've also seen it with a little shake. But I do a little back and forth movement. Almost like a ha 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 ha. Now there's a sign for rolling on the floor laughing, and it literally is little marker for two legs, just kind of rolling around, laughing on the floor. I've seen the legs move. I've seen a real roll, a real sloppy roll. So you can have fun with it. Rolling on the floor, laughing. So I mentioned in my fun and funny video that I like to use a little bit of a ha-ha sometimes. That's also used for laugh. Ha-ha, 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 ha-ha. And I did show that you can change your facial expression, just kind of make it sarcastic. Make it a ha-ha, which in turn means not funny. So there's some signs for laugh, and I hope that helps.